Verify account on Wise. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then kind of type Wise. Okay, and then here, all you have to do is just simply tap this one, the first site that appears. And then we have your options, send, receive, but you can just simply tap at the top right corner, there is the word register, tap that button. And then in order for you to create your Wise account, you have to provide them some basic information. So here you just have to type your working and valid email address. Okay, so let's just say this is my email address, otherwise, okay. And then once done, all you have to do is to tap next. And then here, what kind of account would you like to open today? You can choose between personal account and business account. So this purpose is just for sending and receiving. So I'm going to tap personal account here. Once you tap this personal account, they will ask you where do you live most of the time. Let's just say I'm living in Canada. And then verify your phone number. You just have to type your working and valid phone number because they will send a verification and you have to type that verification in order for you to proceed to password. And then after that, you have created your Wise account. Now the question is how to verify your Wise account. That is very simple. On your account, you just have to look for settings, profile. Under your profile, you just have to tap this gear icon, settings. And all you have to do is to simply provide whatever they ask here. For example, email address. You have to type your email address and then they will send you a notification or something that you should tap in order for it to verify your email address. So you have to do that one. If you want to change, you can simply tap change email address. Notifications. Okay, so you can also check these boxes here in order for you to receive notifications from Wise. Okay, tap save changes if you have saved something or changed something. Okay, and then next here we have contacts or language settings. Okay, connected account first. So you just have to connect your bank account in order for you to really verify your account here on Wise. So as you can see, these are the countries that has this bank account or that you can connect your bank account on Wise. Unfortunately, I can't connect that on my country because it's not yet available in my country. Once you are living in one of those countries, you just have to click this instant verification, click continue, and then do this instant verification again. And then that's it. That's how easy it is. But for those who are not living in this country, you have or we have to wait for maybe weeks or months before this feature will be available in our country. Okay, so you just have to select your institution. Okay, and then after that, all you have to do is to simply enter your user ID, I guess. Okay, so if you can find it here, you can search that bank account or bank company. And then after that, enter your credentials and then click submit. Then, and that way you have linked your bank to your Wise. Now you can change your password and contacts and Wise. You can turn on your email address and phone number in order for the people to easily find you. If someone on your contacts want to send you a message or a money, you can just simply let them search you or find you by turning on your email address and your phone number. Okay, two-step verification, you just have to turn this one any of this text message or email so that whenever someone wants to hack or log into your account, you will be notified. Okay, so that is two-step verification. Okay, and then we have here below, but below are not that really necessary for you to to explore or to put some information. So these are just a few of the things that you have to notice in order for you to use your account and in order for you to get verified on Wise. So after doing all of this and once you're verified, you can now send and receive money international. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.